Misplay shows not available in your area when your account region, device location, or App Store country doesn't match the regions Mistplay currently supports, so the app blocks access before it even loads games. By the end of this, you'll know how to check what's causing the region block, how to fix mismatched settings, and what actually works if Mistplay isn't officially available where you are. First thing to understand is that Mistplay is region locked. That means the app checks your location and account setup before letting you in. If your phone says you're in one country but your App Store account is set to another, the app can flag that mismatch and block access. Next, check your App Store region. On Android or iPhone, your Google Play or Apple ID country has to match your actual location. If you recently changed countries or used a different store region before, Mistplay may refuse to load. Go into your store settings and confirm the country matches your current region. Now check your device location settings. Mistplay uses location signals from your phone to confirm eligibility. If location services are turned off, the app may not be able to verify where you are and will block access. Turn on location services and allow Mistplay to access location while using the app. Another issue is VPN use. If you're running a VPN, Mistplay may detect a different country and automatically restrict access. Turn off any VPN or proxy completely, then restart the app. Even background VPN apps can trigger this block. Also, check your account history. If you previously created a Mistplay account in a supported region and then moved, the system may still tie your account to the original region. In that case, logging out and trying a fresh install on a clean network can sometimes reset the detection, but not always. If everything matches and it still says not available, the issue may simply be that Mistplay doesn't officially support your region yet. In that case, there's no permanent workaround inside the app itself because the restriction happens on their servers, not your phone. The most reliable fixes are making sure your App Store region, device location, and network all match without VPN interference. Turn on location services, remove any VPN, and confirm your store country first before reopening the app. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more fixes for Mistplay and other reward in gaming apps.